taxi to the runway. Tower Qantas A079, heading to the runway 23. Coordinator 2089, taxi to the runway. Taxi to the hangar. Qantas A079, taxiing to the runway 25. Okay, thanks. 86. Okay, taxiing to the runway Qantas A079. Oh, what a heavy blizzard. Hope that will make it. Just a heavy stupid blizzard. It's none of the fault, but if it gets worse, that's into the Qantas 8039 clear to take off. Whoa! Gear. This blizzard's getting worse. Gear up. Gear up. Oh no, your fingers jammed. Wait, whoa. Wait. Mayday. Qantas 8049, we're crashing. What the hell? Suddenly turned green. Okay. What the hell is done this blizzard? Okay, going to the hangar. This is not an Airbus A320, but it's a Boeing 747. Okay, stop. Turn off the engine. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Okay. 90 later. Okay. Okay. Not to worry. Okay. Okay. No has to stop. And no, today is December 22, 1999. Yeah, I know. Okay, going to the wrong. Korean Air 2089 tapping to the runway. Okay, Korean Air. Sorry for the weather condition, but it's not such morning. KLM 4125 tapping to the runway. KLM 4125 wait for the company Boeing 747. Oh, it's static. Wait. Where did you put? Wait. Okay, we're taking off. Korean Air 2089, you're clear to take off on runway 33. Okay, thank you. Okay, then up we go. Beam one. Rotate. Up we go. Up we go. Oh god, there's a problem. Oh no, take off. Finally. There's a problem. Wait. Go up. Pull up. Pull up. This doesn't mean what I want. Uh-oh, we're going down. This doesn't not mean what I want.
얼마나 기대 그림? 대답해. 얼마나 기대 그림?